Players mind mentality. What's up, boys? City boys. Yo, I got an approach for y'all, man. This is situational, man, but I want y'all to flip it to whatever situation y'all in, because it works. Just flip the words around, because this is something I used like a handful of times, man, and it's so respectful and make you seem approachable, respectful, and stuff like that. All right. So mm, let's just say we in a hospital, right? Number one, you want to start with a smile as you approach. Like you just, like when you approach it, just have that smile, like give her that look. Like she might not see it, but you want to hold that smile as you walk in. You know, you just like so that way when she finally look up or look at you, she's seen that you just glazing at her like I said, start with a smile as you approach her. Make eye contact and smile. This sets a friendly and approachable tone. This is very important, okay? Number two, you want to open with a friendly question. We ain't trying too hard, right? This is gonna be as smooth as peanut butter. Open with a friendly question, all right? Like I said, let's say we in a hospital, right? You can ask, like, let's say you're in a hospital, like walking down a hallway or something like that, because you know the hospital got a lot of pretty nurses, right? They gorgeous as fuck. Those women you should be trying to date for real. Like, you know what I'm saying? If you happen to go in the hospital, bro, go to the cafeteria or somewhere to get food and notice how many bad women are around. Like, you know, because I worked in the hospital a lot and I used to use this line a lot, so I want to give y'all the line that I was using. Um, like I said, so let's say we in the hospital. You could ask her something casual like, "Hey, how you doing? Like good? Do you know where the nearest cafeteria or coffee shop is?" And then you know she'll tell you, and that breaks the ice right there. Once you ask her that question, like, "Excuse me, ma'am. Like, do you know where the nearest cafeteria or cafe is? Like, coffee shop is?" Like, with a curious look. And then three, you want to pay attention to her body language, gauge her interest. If she seems open to the conversation, like making eye contact, smiling back, engaging, and then you introduce yourself. You can say something like, by the way, I'm Relly. You seem really cool. And as you put your hand out, so that she shake your hand, and then she tell you her name. You know, the compliment and transition. This is number four. This step four. Compliment and transition. Compliment her in a genuine way. For example, you can say something like, "You got really great energy about you," and then she'll say, "Thank you." Oh, that's so nice. But avoid focusing on appearance in the setting. Don't say nothing about her body. None of that stuff. You want to keep it like just about the energy. Then you want to transition with, "I love to continue this conversation another time, maybe over coffee. What do you think?" And then at this point, that's when she would say, "Yeah, that sounds nice. I love coffee. I drink coffee every morning." And number five, this is when you ask for a number. Confidently, though. If she responds positively, ask for a number, though. If she respond like in a open, positive way to you after you say all this, casually say something like, "Maybe we can grab a coffee sometime. Can I get your number?" That was smooth, man. You ain't over trying, you ain't overdoing it, you're not over sexualizing anything. Like, you really kept it professional with her. As simple as that. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is just walking down a hallway. You walking down a hallway, you gotta think, guys. You don't need to be nervous. I'm giving you something that works. I've used this plenty of time. I worked in the hospital for years, like over 7 years. I used to use this a lot. I used to use this a lot, man, and it worked. And it actually get you a friend, somebody to talk to, and then once you're at the coffee table or whatever, that's when you engage in conversation more and more and more. And I'm telling you, you already got her. You got her at this point. You got this girl, and now y'all on a coffee date. Like y'all on a coffee date, bro. Just think of how. Oh my. I don't think y'all understand like how smooth this is. Like this is so appropriate, bro. This is so fucking appropriate. You said, by the way, I'm Terrell. You seem really cool. You said you got really great energy about you. She gonna like that. Like, oh, thank you. I really like that. I'd love to continue this conversation another time, maybe over coffee. What do you think, love? You feel me? Like, it's that simple. Maybe we can grab a cup of coffee sometimes. You mind if I have your number? She gonna give it to you. Because you confident, you smooth, you respectful. That's it. Try this line. Like, I know I said in the hospital, but this could be anywhere. Anywhere, man. Any building. Ask for what something else at. You could be outside. Ask her, is there any, like, good barbecue food around here? That could be your approach. Instead of asking for the cafeteria, ask where the food truck at. Or ask where, where's the nearest, wherever you at, man. Just flip this up. And I guarantee you it works. It's Players Mind Mentality. Like, comment, subscribe. City Boys, we up. Peace. Love y'all.